Welcome to Omacy, where thoughtful design, natural beauty, and simple techniques come together to create spaces that feel calm, elegant, and alive all year round. In this video, best plants for winter containers, indoor and outdoor that actually survive. We explore how the right plants, containers, and styling choices can transform winter from a dormant season into one of quiet sophistication. Winter containers are not only practical. They set the tone for your home and garden by introducing structure, texture, and enduring greenery when most landscapes fall asleep. Before we begin, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. It helps support more timeless gardening inspiration like this. Today's focus is on 5 versatile plants that adapt beautifully to containers and can be enjoyed indoors or outdoors with proper placement and care. We'll look at how these plants interact with natural light, seasonal materials, and muted winter tones to create a refined and inviting atmosphere. Rather than overwhelming color, winter containers rely on balance, form, and texture to feel intentional and soothing. Each plant featured contributes to a sense of stability and quiet beauty that feels especially comforting during colder months. This video is designed to inspire confidence, showing that winter gardening can be simple, stylish, and deeply rewarding. As we move through each plant, imagine how these elements could elevate your own porch, patio, or interior space. Boxwood is one of the most reliable and elegant plants for winter containers, offering year-round structure and a sense of permanence. Its dense, evergreen foliage brings visual stability to both indoor and outdoor settings, making it a cornerstone of sophisticated winter design. In containers, Boxwood provides clean lines and a sculptural presence that pairs beautifully with classic pots, stone planters, or minimalist ceramic vessels. Outdoors, it withstands cold temperatures while maintaining its rich green color, anchoring entryways, patios, and garden corners with quiet confidence. Indoors, when placed in a cool, bright area, Boxwood adds a formal, almost architectural element that elevates the surrounding decor. The beauty of Boxwood lies in its restraint. It doesn't shout for attention, but instead supports the overall atmosphere with subtle refinement. Its small, glossy leaves reflect soft winter light, adding depth and texture without overwhelming the space. When combined with natural materials like wood, gravel, or woven baskets, Boxwood enhances a calm, timeless aesthetic. This plant also responds well to shaping. allowing containers to feel intentional and well-composed throughout the season. In winter container design, Boxwood acts as a visual anchor, grounding more delicate elements and creating harmony. Its presence communicates care, order, and longevity, all of which contribute to a welcoming winter environment. The snake plant brings modern simplicity and remarkable durability to winter containers, making it an excellent choice for calm, low-maintenance spaces. Known for its upright, sword-like leaves, it introduces strong vertical lines that add visual rhythm and balance. In mild outdoor conditions or sheltered areas, snake plants perform well in containers, while indoors they thrive with minimal care. Their deep green leaves, often edged with subtle variegation, create a refined contrast against neutral winter palettes. The architectural form of the snake plant complements contemporary, Zen-inspired, or minimalist interiors effortlessly. In winter, when light levels are lower, this plant continues to look fresh and composed, reinforcing a sense of stability. Paired with sleek pots in matte black, stone, or soft earth tones, snake plants enhance a sophisticated atmosphere. They require little watering, which aligns perfectly with the slower pace of winter living. This resilience allows you to focus more on styling and ambience rather than constant maintenance. The snake plant's quiet strength contributes to a feeling of order and calm, making winter spaces feel intentional and uncluttered. Its presence is understated, yet impactful, supporting a serene, well-balanced environment. Rosemary brings a unique blend of beauty and practicality to winter containers, offering fragrance, texture, and resilience. Its slender, needle-like leaves introduce fine detail that contrasts beautifully with broader foliage and solid containers. Outdoors, rosemary thrives in cool weather when protected from extreme frost, maintaining its silvery green color and upright form. Indoors, placed near a sunny window, it adds a fresh, herbal presence that subtly perfumes the air and enhances the sensory experience of the space. Rosemary's natural structure lends itself well to terracotta pots, stone planters, or neutral-toned containers that highlight its Mediterranean character. In winter arrangements, it softens the overall look, creating a relaxed yet polished atmosphere. The plant's woody stems add warmth and texture, balancing the cooler tones often found in winter decor. Rosemary also connects the garden to the kitchen, reinforcing a sense of continuity and everyday usefulness. This dual-purpose quality makes it especially satisfying to grow during winter months. When styled thoughtfully, rosemary contributes to a feeling of quiet abundance and mindful living. Its presence reminds us that winter spaces can still feel alive, aromatic, and deeply comforting. The ZZ plant offers glossy foliage and exceptional resilience, making it ideal for winter containers that prioritize ease and elegance. Its smooth, deep green leaves reflect light beautifully, adding richness and depth to indoor and sheltered outdoor spaces. The upright, Slightly arching stems create a relaxed, yet structured form that complements a wide range of container styles. Indoors, the ZZ plant thrives in low light and cooler temperatures, making it perfect for winter interiors. In protected outdoor areas with mild conditions, it can also perform well in containers. The plant's slow growth and minimal water needs align perfectly with the slower rhythm of winter care. Visually, the ZZ plant adds a polished, almost sculptural quality that enhances sophisticated environments. Its lush appearance contrasts nicely with bare branches, stone surfaces, and neutral decor elements. This plant contributes to a sense of calm confidence, reinforcing the idea that winter spaces can still feel full and intentional. The ZZ plant's durability allows it to quietly support the overall design without demanding attention. Its presence feels grounding, reassuring, and timeless. Pansies bring gentle color and softness to winter containers, offering a delicate contrast to evergreen structure. Their velvety petals introduce muted purples, creams, yellows, and blues that feel especially comforting during colder months. Outdoors, pansies thrive in cool temperatures, maintaining their cheerful appearance even when the weather turns crisp. Indoors, placed in bright, cool rooms, they can add a seasonal accent that feels fresh and welcoming. Pansies work beautifully in shallow containers, window boxes, or mixed arrangements where they soften the overall composition. Their rounded forms and subtle movement add life and warmth without overwhelming the design. In winter container styling, pansies act as gentle highlights, drawing the eye while maintaining a calm aesthetic. They pair well with natural materials such as wood, clay, and woven textures, reinforcing a cozy, handcrafted feel. The presence of flowers during winter creates a sense of optimism and continuity with the changing seasons. Pansies remind us that winter beauty can be quiet, tender, and deeply satisfying. Their contribution to the overall atmosphere is one of softness, balance, and understated charm. As we conclude this journey through winter container gardening, it's clear that the right plants can transform the season into one of quiet elegance and lasting beauty. By choosing versatile, resilient plants like Boxwood, Rosemary, snake plant, pansies, and ZZ plant, you create spaces that feel balanced, inviting, and alive even in the coldest months. These plants work together through texture, form, and tone to establish a refined atmosphere that supports both indoor and outdoor living. Winter containers are not about excess, but about intention, thoughtful placement, quality materials, and plants that truly endure. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like it, subscribe to Omacy, and leave a comment sharing which plant inspired you most. Your engagement helps grow this community of calm, mindful garden design. Winter is an opportunity to slow down, simplify, and appreciate subtle beauty. With the right approach, your containers can continue to bring comfort, structure, and style all season long. Thank you for spending this time with Omacy, and may your winter spaces feel peaceful, elegant, and enduring.